Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view sold items on eBay. Curious about what's actually selling on eBay? Whether you're a buyer or a seller, knowing how to view sold items helps you check prices, trends, and more. Let me show you exactly how to do it. The first step is to go to eBay and use the search bar. To do that, just search for ebay.com. Click on the website and make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Now the second thing you want to do is to type the product's name or keyword you're searching. For example, iPhone 12 180 gigabytes. And click on search. Now the second step is to filter to sold items. Scroll down to the left sidebar here and under show only check the box for sold items. Let's look for show only here and let's look for this option right here, show only. As you can see, this is the section for show only. Let's look for sold items here and we're gonna click on it. Now eBay will automatically show completed listings that actually sold, not just ones you listed. The third step is to analyze the results. Compare selling prices, item conditions, and listing dates, and use this info to price your own listing competitively. You can also use advanced research by clicking on advanced beside the search bar and enter keywords and choose sold listings and even filter by seller location, format, or condition. And now you can research like a pro and stay ahead of trends. Use this trick to find what's in demand before you list and study which titles, photos, and formats attracts the best prices, and you can also save searches to monitor trends over time. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.